What's up, guys? I'm just here to show you how to get some free money, some real money in your pockets, and instantly. And no, this is not a scam. We're using a cashback app called DOSH today. So let's get started. Pretty much what you want to do is, this app gives you a link, right? So once you copy your link, you obviously have to get referred by somebody, obviously. I will leave a link in the description so you guys can get that $5 sign up bonus with me, and so you guys can actually start making money easily. So pretty much this app pays you for referring people $10 each. So let me go to the referrals. So I pretty much made about $150 in 30 minutes only, just by referring people that I know. Let me see. So all of these people. So let me go home. So pretty much all of these people I just referred, and you can transfer the money to your bank account or your PayPal. It doesn't matter. So let's say you send your link to about 10 friends. That right there would be 105, and I know you got 10 friends on your phone to send it to, and you can post the link on your social medias. Say you can email the link. Pretty much they're literally throwing money just for you to refer somebody, and it's very simple. All the person has to do is link their debit card so they can start making money too. It's very easy, very simple. It's good for people who are in college, people who are students who just need that quick cash. It's very easy, no scam, obviously. So yeah, there's not much to it. It's just I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can go download it and start making money. I made about 200 in the past day, and all of that was I made 150 in the first 30 minutes, and I was just chilling. It's a very easy app. If you're not doing anything, I'm not asking you to go out your way, but if you're doing nothing, then might as well get some money in your pocket. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Have fun, spend wisely.